E momo wānanga e are ake nei ki te marae o Parikino ki te awa tupua, ko tū manawa te ingo o tēnei wānanga no ngā tamariki no te awa. Kei te ako rātou ngā pūrākau me ngā mātauranga e pāna ki tō rātou wanganuitanga. E āngai ana te pū o tēnei kaupapa wānanga ki te auara tinana, ki te auara wairua o ngā uri kia tūpakari ai te manawa ora are ake nei.
This is a year-long program. We've already run 3 school holiday programs. So we are focusing on the age groups of 5 to 10-year-olds and 11 to 18-year-olds. And so the program is, in a nutshell, it's basically about getting our rangatahi and our tamariki active. And we're sort of trying to take a holistic approach. So we're focusing on mental, physical and spiritual well-being as well.
E oi, ko tamaupoko community-led development te rōpū e wakaari ana I tēnei kaupapa.
In a nutshell, it's about community development, community empowerment, helping our people, communities up the awa here to become self-reliant, build self-reliance and become more empowered in their own space. And so that it's a broad spectrum. We focus on the family per se, we focus on infrastructure, we focus on all of those things that help to strengthen the family in their own spaces.
Ei tāna, mā ngā kai kōrero pērā I a Lou Walker Tyson mā, ka tia tēnei kaupapa.
That was a really good opportunity for them to hear about their stories as well, because, they do hear it at kura and all that sort of thing, but it's just reinforced. Because those stories are so important. We want them, like Sash said, like Lou said, we want them to pass on to their moko and their children. So yeah, that's what it's all about. And I think, they took a lot from opportunities and different experiences out of the awa. It's good to go out there and experience things, and then you can always come back home.
We get those kai kōrero in to share their experiences and their knowledge with the kids, and the reason why we do that is that we want it to be authentic. We want the knowledge that's shared to be authentic, to have those speakers sharing knowledge that they've already done. Where they're at. So, for example, Sash, well, they can, Te Uru, they can
waka papa and think of stuff that could be